Now that you know who your customer is, and if you don't, go check out the last episode. It's now time to tell them why they should care. This is where your value proposition comes in. It's not a slogan and it's not a tagline. It's the heartbeat of your brand. It defines who you help, how you help them, and why your way is better. I like to create two versions, a longer version for internal use, which becomes your North Star when making business decisions, and then a short one-liner that lives everywhere, your website, your social bios, even your email signature. To illustrate what these could look like, here's BrightSpark Media's. Our long-form value proposition reads, for 7 and 8 figure businesses who are ready to scale beyond growth plateaus, BrightSpark Media delivers full-service content marketing that expands your audience with minimal lift from your internal team so that your staff can stay focused on what drives your company forward. And our one-liner, simple, helping 7 to 8 figure businesses grow with high-impact video and marketing. Here's something important. The most effective value propositions are both specific and they're niche. Broad messages blend in, and in marketing, blending in, that's death. Here's how you build yours. 1. Define the who. Remember we spoke about your avatar? 2. Define the how. This is your main service or method. And 3. Define the why, the transformation that your client experiences. This is what sets you apart. Always remember, the money is in the deepness, not in the wideness. Speak directly to your ideal customer and ignore the rest. Next time, we'll turn this value prop into smart marketing goals so you can actually measure your progress. Keep it locked down with the R&R magazine, and I'll see you next time.